guys, Chris Aqua here. If you are new to this channel, I post videos about making money online and offline. So I'll go straight to today's video tutorial. Today's video tutorial is going to talk about how you can earn the new crypto that is being listed on Binance, which is called MBOX. MBOX. It is being listed on Binance, and I'll take you through the steps on how you can earn. It's a new product on the Binance Launchpool. So all you need for you to get started is your Binance account. You need to have a Binance account. So basically this is for those that already have an account and already have some coins in their account. So if you have some BNB lying down in your account or some BUSD in your account, please take up this opportunity as fast as you can. So once you log in, you first go to your launchpad right here. So once you click on your launchpad, you would see it is very straightforward. As you can see, Binance token launch platform. Right now you can see MBOX. MBOX is a gaming platform combining automated optimized DeFi yield farming and gaming NFTs to create GameFi. So you can see right here the total rewards is 3 million MBOX. The farming period is for 30 days, and the farming is going to start in the next 13 hours of me recording this video. I'll be posting this immediately I am done recording this video. So for you to farm, you can see stake MBOX and earn MBOX. That's if you have MBOX already, you can stake and earn 20% of the total allocated rewards. So right here you can see if you have BUSD, you can stake your BUSD and earn 10% of the total allocated reward. That's 10% of the 3 million MBOX. And you can, if you have BNB in your spot wallet, you can always stake it and earn 70% of the total allocation. So right now let me click on view more so you can see. Okay, these are projects that are already completed: Clay, Ata, Dot, and the likes. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on BNB pool right here. So once I click on BNB pool right here, you can see it's going to load and show me the project details. So for me to stake, you can see the total BNB pool reward is 2.1 million MBOX. Look at it right here, 2.1 million MBOX. So for the annual percentage yield, you can't know the APY yet until the farming starts. Let me click on that exclamation icon. You can see APY will be available after the token is listed, and it's going to be listed in the next 13 hours. You can see the time it's going to be listed right here. So I'll go down. For me to stake, all I need to do is to click on stake right here. So once I click on stake right here, I stake it, and you can see it's going to tell me available balance and the likes. So I have about 3.4 BNB. So I want to stake everything. I'm going maximum on this. It's not showing me my APY right here, but by the time the farming starts, I'm going to be able to view that. So I click on stake. So successfully staked BNB. So the money would have moved from my spot wallet to my Binance N wallet. So you can see right here, this is my BNB staked. So guys, once the farming starts, they share the allocation of MOBOX to my spot wallet, So that's how to acquire this new token, MOBOX. So guys, that's it. If you have some BNB lying down there or your BUSD, you can easily open this and gain some little profits from this, gain some little token. Thank you very much guys for staying with me to the end of the video. If you like contents like this, please do well to give this channel a subscribe. Click on the subscribe button below and ensure that you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post video updates like this, you'll be the first to get it. Don't forget to like this video, share to your friends who might be interested, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe and be good. Bye.